My little brother Ra rebuilding his Mac. He just replaced the RAM. We have 16 gigs. He just replaced the battery. And now he's putting a solid state 1 terabyte hard drive in. He's installing the mounting screws. And he will install the hard drive shortly. How was the experience, Ra?
It's good. It's a good experience. I learned a lot. The longest part seems to be the cloning.
What we've done is used an application called Carbon Copy. We use that application to clone this drive onto that. We docked the new drive in here, plugged the dock into the computer, and copied this hard drive onto that one, which he's about to install.
What is it? Righty tighty, lefty loosey?
Correct.
Okay.
Raj just installed the new hard drive. This is the old RAM. This is the new RAM. 8 gigs for each chip, for a total of 16 gigs. New battery. Now Raj is about to reassemble the cover. We now have Ra reassembling his MacBook. Awesome. All right, so Ra has successfully swapped out a battery, 2 RAM cards, 8 gigs each for a total of 16, and a solid state hard drive. And he's about to demonstrate that his Mac will indeed power up and boot. Here's the Apple.
There you go. That's my boy.